Here at CK Mechanical, we're proud of what we do and how we do it. Take our work on the Banwell and Laurier Horizons apartments. Our customers have come to expect affordable, quality work without cutting corners. Whether it's something as small as a single-family property or as big as a multi-story apartment, you can trust us to get the job done right and done on time. When you choose CK Mechanical for your HVAC and plumbing needs, you're choosing peace of mind. Not only do we offer exceptional support after installation and honor all manufacturer warranties, we add our own labor warranty. You heard us right. Expect up to 15 years of us being a part of your life, one call away when you need us. A trusted, proven community solution for a wide range of heating systems for your building's needs. CK Mechanical, your experienced HVAC and plumbing contractors.